English Academy. Today we will read how to change the active sentence of present past continuous tense into passive. Let us see. Okay, let us see. First is affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence. How do we change the affirmative sentence of past continuous tense? I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. So here I is subject, am writing before, and a letter is object. Now this will change in this way, and this will change in this. A letter. चूंकि ये सिंगुलर इसलिए was like later was being written. A letter was being written by me. Written by me. Okay. Second example. She was loving me. She was loving me. Here she is subject, was loving verb, and me is object. So this will change. Me will change into I, and I will take was. I was being loved. Being loved by her. Loved by her. Okay. Now see second negative sentence. Negative sentence. Negative sentence. They were watching the match. They were not watching the match. So here they is subject, were not watching verb, and the match is object. So it will change. The match was not being watched by them. Okay, second. He was not playing cricket. He was not playing cricket. Here he is subject, was not playing before, and cricket is object. Cricket, because cricket is a single word, that's why it will take was. Cricket was not being played by him. Okay. Now see interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Was I cheating you? See, first of all, we will think in our mind, I was cheating you. तो इसका होगा you were cheated by me. तो you were जो होगा तो were को पहले ले आएंगे. Were you being cheated by me? Question mark. Were they playing violin? Were they playing violin? तो इस तरह का सेंटेंस सबसे पहले हम लोग इसको they were playing violin का देखेंगे. तो they were का they हो जाएगा सब्जेक्ट, were playing हो जाएगा verb और violin हो जाएगा ऑब्जेक्ट. तो हम लोग they were playing violin, तो violin was, तो was को हम लोग पहले लिखाएंगे. Was violin being played by them? Question mark. Okay. Now see type number 4. Sentence when subject is understood. Understood. Common or known. No one was looking at me. See, here no one is subject. Was looking verb, at me, looking at verb और me object. See, तो यहाँ पे no one कौन नहीं देख रहा ये क्लियर नहीं है. इस टाइप का जब अंडरस्टूड हो, कॉमन हो या अननोन हो, ये कॉमन हो, तो उसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, मी का हो जाएगा आई. मी का हो जाएगा I was not being looked at. I was not being looked at. हम लोग देखेंगे कि इस टाइप का सेंटेंस जब आएगा तो कैसे हम लोग चेंज करते हैं. रोक दे. का मतलब निगेटिव सेंटेंस होता है, तो आई वॉज नॉट बीइंग लुक्ड एट। ओके, इसी का दूसरा एग्जाम्पल देख लेंगे। समवन was watching my profile. Someone was watching my profile. कोई मेरा प्रोफाइल वॉच कर रहा था। तो someone सब्जेक्ट, कौन कर रहा था पता नहीं, was watching ऑब्जेक्ट, सब्जेक्ट वर्ब, और ये हो गया ऑब्जेक्ट, ये हो गया वर्ब। तो इसको जब चेंज करेंगे तो हो जाएगा my profile was being watched. हम लोग ऐसे ही बनाएंगे when there is no clear subject, or when it is vague, not understood, common. In that case we remove the subject of the active sentence. यहाँ पर देख लिए someone, कौन, someone was watching my profile, कौन देख रहा है, कोई और पता रहता तो उसका नाम लिखते। Okay, see, and the last one is WH sentence. WH sentence हम लोग कैसे चेंज करेंगे ये देखेंगे। What were you doing? What were you doing? हम लोग WH वर्ड्स को सेम टू सेम लिख देंगे। What were you, जब you were doing, यहाँ पर हम लोग इसको सेम टू सेम और इसको देखेंगे you were doing। तो what was being done by you, इस तरह से हम लोग बना लेंगे। उसके बाद बनाएंगे how was he not doing that job, तो हम लोग पहले WH वर्ड्स को सेम लिख देंगे और इसके बाद he was not doing that job। तो he was not doing that job का क्या होगा एक बार आपको बता ही देते हैं। यहां से हम लोग देखते हैं इसको कैसे बदलेंगे, आप लोग ध्यान से देखिए। he was not doing that job, ठीक है। he हो जाएगा सब्जेक्ट, was not doing before, और ये हो जाएगा ऑब्जेक्ट, ठीक है। तो देखिए हम लोग इसको यहां पर that job was not being done by him। तो देखिए यहां पर जब हम लोग चेंज करेंगे तो WH वर्ड्स लिख देंगे और इसको एफर्मेटिव में चेंज कर देंगे, फिर इसका पैसिव चेंज। ये मन में सोचेंगे, बार बार करिएगा तो टाइम लगेगा। तो इसमें हम लोग देखेंगे कि दैट जॉब वाज, इस वाज को पहले लिया है। हाउ वाज दैट जॉब नॉट बीइंग done by him। ओके, होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड ऑल द थिंग्स। हम लोग कैसे चेंज करेंगे, अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती है, थोड़ा सा 1% की प्रॉब्लम, तो आप हमसे कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछ सकते हैं। और नाउ द टुडेज क्लास इज ओवर and I request to all of you, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day, and you must have to put your comment in the comment box. Till then, take care. Nice day.